You're going to learn to spring cards in less than 60 seconds. Everyone finds this impressive. Place your second and third finger right on the outer corner of the deck here, and place your thumb on the opposite corner. Notice when you turn the deck face up, your fingers are on the same corners as the numbers. Now press with your fingers and bow the cards inwards. You're going to slowly release the pressure off your thumb, and the cards are going to fly into your other hand. Probably when you start out, you're going to be shooting cards bit by bit. That's absolutely okay. Your fingers just haven't gotten used to this pressure and probably aren't strong enough yet to do a constant flow of cards. To start with, go to your bed or a flat surface and just practice releasing the cards into that surface. Eventually, you'll be able to get a constant flow. Then, begin aiming for your hand, and eventually, you'll be able to do it with ease. You can get so accurate with this that you can do it with your eyes closed.